how to move text freely in Microsoft Word. First off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see right here, we have our document ready. Now let's say that we want to move this text to a certain portion of the document. So you'll notice that you can't really move your text. You can hold it and drag it to move it as a whole block. However, you can't pick it up and select and move it entirely. So what you can do if you want to move your text freely is type your text into a text box. And you can do that by clicking on the Insert tab here. Click on Text Box. Now click on Simple Text Box. And that should insert a text box within your document. Now resize your text box to your preferences. And let's simply copy this text and put it inside of our text box. Now that our text is inside the text box, we can go ahead and edit our text box to make it look like it is part of our main text. So to do that, click on Shape Format. Now click on Shape Outline and make sure that you click on No Outline. Also click on Shape Fill and click on No Fill. And as you can see, our text box now looks like our main text. And that is how you can move your text freely in Microsoft Word. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.